Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're taking a look at the SOONSUN waterproof case for GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9. A top-rated choice for anyone serious about underwater photography and video recording. This is the best underwater camera case waterproof housing that you'll want to take on your next adventure. Whether you're scuba diving, snorkeling, or just enjoying a day at the beach, this case offers the protection your GoPro needs to capture stunning footage up to 196 feet deep. Let's talk about its construction. The SOONSUN waterproof case is made of durable PMMA, ultra-thick tempered glass, and a robust sealing ring. This combination ensures that your GoPro stays safe and dry, even in the most extreme conditions. With its tight buckle system, it guarantees there are no leaks, letting you capture sharp, vibrant images and videos while you're submerged in water. The case is compatible with GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9. So, whether you're upgrading your GoPro or sticking with an older model, this waterproof housing has you covered. It's designed to fit perfectly with these models, giving you full access to the camera's buttons and screens while keeping it safe underwater. One standout feature of this housing is its rust-proof design. The buttons and screws are made of 316 stainless steel, which means they won't rust even when submerged in seawater. So, no need to worry about corrosion or damage after a long session in the ocean. The large flat glass lens is another great feature. It's specifically designed to ensure maximum image sharpness, whether you're above or below water. Plus, the front LCD screen remains accessible, so you can quickly check your footage without opening the case. This makes it easy to adjust settings or make sure you're getting the perfect shot, even underwater. For those who like to take their video recording to the next level, the case comes with dual cold shoe mounts. You can attach a video light, microphone, or other accessories to ensure your footage looks and sounds great. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or deep underwater, the ability to mount additional gear is a game-changer for anyone serious about content creation. The package includes everything you need to get started: the waterproof case itself, a quick-release buckle, a thumb screw, and 2 cold shoe adapters. The quick-release buckle makes it easy to mount your GoPro and remove it, while the cold shoe adapters provide extra flexibility for mounting accessories. At 196 feet, 60 meters, of waterproof depth, this case is perfect for those who enjoy diving deep into the water. You can capture incredible footage without worrying about damaging your gear, making it ideal for a wide range of water activities, from snorkeling and scuba diving to surfing and even underwater filmmaking. If you're someone who loves pushing the limits of your GoPro and capturing incredible underwater footage, the SOONSUN waterproof case is an essential accessory for your gear. It combines protection, functionality, and ease of use into one reliable package. So, if you're ready to take your GoPro adventures to the next level, make sure to check out the SOONSUN waterproof case. It's available now and ready to dive into your next water adventure. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. See you next time.